workshop. It's great to have you here because today I want to make a center punch. I made a center punch as like one of my first ever things I made in blacksmithing, and it's horrible. This is the center punch I made. This is way too stout, and it's like an octagon-ish, kind of, square with the corners broken off. I really don't know what it is. So I have a 7-inch long piece of 1/2-inch round 5160 coil spring in the forge. I heated it up, I straightened it, now I'm going to draw a taper on it. So let's start forging on it. First I'm going to draw the taper. quench it. Okay, I'm only going to quench about 3/4 of an inch of it. It's going in circular motion, you know, keeping cool oil on it. And I've left a lot of it hot, so I can scratch away the forge scale and see temple colors. Reaches the tip. And then let it cool the rest of the way and grind it. Alrighty, so I've got an old 36 grit on here. Since it's going to be going through scale, it's going to, you know, wear down a belt. Just going to get the tip how I want it, press the strike again, and that'll be done. Make sure you put on one of these. They're really helpful, so you don't die. See, is it hard? Sharp as it was. Great. A whole bunch more. Perfect. Pretty cool. Perfect. No damage. So don't forget to share the video with your friends, like and subscribe, and see you next time.